How do you build this page that you're looking at right now? How do you build this inside of High Level? So, Go High Level is an all in one marketing and sales platform. And they have released something called the AI Studio. And it's a vibe coding tool similar to Lovable. And you can build websites, landing pages, funnels. You can also start to build apps now as well. But I want to show you specifically in this video how I've built this with these animations, the prompts that I use, and yeah, just the overall thought process behind everything so you can model it for yourself no matter what you're building, whether it's a website or a funnel for a client, things like that. So let's get into it. Personally, I've used this sort of blue branding for a while now, and I just love it. I like how it looks, the gradient, the glow, and it just tickles me in a good way. So I think I'm gonna stay with this, and so let's just go top to bottom. At the top, you'll see a an announcement bar, and so this is just simply me prompting here: add an announcement bar at the top, and here's the text for it, and make sure that it loops and animates. So for those of you who are not designers, you might be thinking kind of like, what's the language to use for certain things? So I'll walk you through those effects as well. So this one I would say a loop animation, and I call it the announcement bar at the top. Then I added my logo, my support email, and then here I said social proof trusted by. So I have 7,200 plus customers. Add that for social proof, and then my main thing is helping people build a business that they love. And I said keep that this font. So I said, there's one font for this, and so I said use Innovator for that one, and then instrument serif for this second line. But every time you use a two-line headline, make sure that the second one is gradient blue. So gradient means it goes one color from like white to blue. That's what gradient means. And then typing animation. So it changes, and I said use with artificial intelligence, with AI agents, and with vibe coding and digital products. So I said use those four, and then add a subheadline. And you can see here, join the best community courses, coaching call for mastering AI. And then we have the button. I really love the button. It has a couple different effects. First, we have a glow effect. So this is a glow effect slash shadow glow. So it's a shadow behind it, but it's a hover effect, which means when I hover over it, you're going to see more of that glow and shadow. So anytime you want that, you can just type in hover effect. It can also be a hover zoom in effect. So when I hover, it will zoom in and make it bigger. For example, on images, you'll see this zoom in effect inside of this image right there. And then I said, here's the text for it. But then I want a gradient in the button. So gradient is, again, colors going from one color to another. And I said left and right, make it more blue, glowy, and then darker middle color, and then a bottom inner shadow. So inner shadow is where you have, I know it's very technical, but I'm kind of geeking out about design. So hopefully it's valuable to you other geeks. Proud geeks over here. This one is an inner shadow that goes from bottom up. And if you know how much you should blur it as well, or the spread of it, you can say, try 30 pixels spread. But you can also just screenshot this and say, make it similar to like this, but make it green instead, or your brand colors. And so I said, add that effect in there. And then what I want for the border, so border is outside of the button. I said, make that a loop animation that goes left to right, and then longer. I said top and bottom where it's longer, make it faster. Then it slows down left and right. So top and bottom goes a little bit further, faster, sorry, slows down. Again, it's just what kind of those cool effects that I like. So far already, you can take away from this video that when you design something beautiful that is not AI slop and looks premium and feels high end, the prompting is everything. And the way that you can prompt, if you're not very technical or a certified designer, you can just talk to AI and AI Studio exactly kind of like what you're seeing. You're like, hey, I want this to be, make it type and make it feel alive. Like you can talk to it like that. That's how smart AI is these days. Like here, price going up June 7th. I said add a shadow behind it so we can see it. Um, this is a live countdown timer, is what it's called. And so this is just some of that natural scarcity or urgency. Don't fake it. When I released AI Academy beta, it was 50% off. Now it's 40%. Price is going up as more people are joining. I said add 3 cards. So I call these cards, and this is called a row. So section is this container right here, hero section. This is another section. In that we have rows. So a row is like kind of like in that section. There's a row. It could be a 1 column row. Like this is 1 column. This is 3 columns. So I said add a row with 3 columns and add this data. So verified member revenue in other programs. So far with my programs, over 15 million of people actually sending in screenshots and proving it. 10 years of business experience myself, 50 plus absence offers I've personally built using AI. And so we just added that for credibility. Add this again, animation. I had a screenshot for this because I saw it somewhere. Just like this branding also was inspired from another template. Um, Obviously changed the colors and everything and made it my own text, all that. But I said, add from my offer stack, add in a couple of things that will animate here at the top. I might move this down a little bit so there's not too much happening at once. Then this, I said, this is kind of like a live animated CPU. Um, I saw this somewhere else as well, and I said, this is an image, but can you automate it? What would be the prompt? So you can reverse prompt engineer as well, where you say, like, how can you make this a prompt that forces the image to be live and animated, right? And then I said, add this like section with data. So here it says agents working for you 24/7. When you create an offer, you got to also sell the thing that sells the thing. So AI is obviously taking over everywhere, but we need to show some stats and proof because people trust numbers way more than just your word. So AI shift, mass opportunity, um, added some numbers there. And then I said, add an arrow down to this. And then this is more like a relatability type of section. So you're trying to piece together AI tools, strategies from random YouTube videos. You're always feeling behind and overwhelmed by new AI tools launching every single day. You're still trading time for money, feeling stuck instead of building scalable systems and products. And worst of all, there's so many things AI can help you with, but you don't know where to start. Or when you're still just consuming and learning instead of actually monetizing the AI revolution. I said, add a few pain points that people are experiencing, and then I went in and added like this one. It had already added this one as well. I added you're always feeling behind. So that's kind of my writing style where it's like very just you and I having a conversation, and it's not very well, it's just kind of like seventh grade language. Oh, and you're still consuming and learning. So I added these two, sort of rewrote them a little bit as well. Don't worry, we'll fix that with you in the academy, so you're up and running within days instead of months. And then after that, the problem, we're selling the solution. So there's a better path to mastering AI. Learn from real experts, model what they do, copy their templates. I said, make it a kind of like a 3-step thing, but I want custom icons there. I don't want to have just, 1, 2, 3, and then headlines here. So you don't necessarily have to, well, you don't have to do anything, but like you don't have to add numbers here. But I wanted it to be like step 1, 2, 3, but also the icons. I don't know if it's too much, but I said add the number and then the font, sorry, the headline. It made the headline too long and on 2 lines, and the two other were on 1 line. So I said for just for aesthetics, make it 1 line, and then also a subheader explaining it as well. And then I said, add this gradient glow at the bottom of each of these cards so we have the same branding throughout. Oh, and also this image, I said it added a filter, another color, and I said just make it zoom in on hover, but not don't make it, change color on hover. And then I had a picture of AI Academy, but because I changed the branding to blue, I said add a filter. So this one is okay, but I'm going to add a new picture. So this one is just, AI generated images, but I have personally just grouped them together in Figma. took me a couple of minutes to do. And I said course, community coaching plus resources to succeed online. And yeah, it just shows people what's inside. So people are visual. A lot of people are visual learners. And then I said, show people what's included, like kind of like a bento grid. So this is called bento grid. Anytime you see these kind of layouts, in fact, you can go to bentogrids.com and see examples of different ones. But I wanted to have multiple ways to show what's inside, as you'll see throughout this page. And then add another call to action and countdown timer. Then we have offer stack. So here's how people are really reading like what's all the stuff included. Price anchoring, special discount, and urgency. And then you can see here we got price going up twice. So I'll delete one of them. Again, this beautiful effect, and then sneak peek. Here's exactly what inside. So a lot of people have asked me like, what's inside of AI Academy? And so let me just screenshot it, and then I also screenshotted the different like classrooms, and I said write a section under with a taste of what you'll discover, and write it in a way that it has curiosity driven copy. So even inside of the program, for the titles of the videos, there's language like the 7-step AI solopreneur business model. And then that 7-step means like there's a system to it. And so you follow that process, and you get more intrigued to actually watch it. And then when you watch it, you can actually implement and get results. So this is a very like common way to show people what's inside, but also drive curiosity to be like, I need to watch me build a profitable SaaS from scratch in a live vibe coding session. I want to see that because it's more behind the scenes. It's not just tutorials like on YouTube. Templates and everything, and then another call to action there. And then these, you've seen me do, if you've been subscriber on the channel for a little bit, you've seen this on Funnels University, where I have like visual again showing like what's inside. It stops on hover, and also like there's a little bit of a border effect on hover, but the goal is just to make it again feel alive, and um, it just looks great as well, I feel like. And it's so easy to see kind of like what the topics are inside. Proof of concept, actually do this for a living too. So most people build stuff that collects dust. I built a new offer, vibe coded an app, and grew to 10,000 MRR in just 30 days. That's a one-person business. Now I'll show you how. So that's the premise, is we're going to build something, a combination of educational products with apps and software that people can use, micro tools, your own app with agentic features that people can get access to. And when you combine info plus app, it becomes super powerful. And so that's the one of the main things we do in the AI Academy. And so I actually do this for a living too. I don't just teach it. And then added a couple screenshots, and I said, make this kind of like screens on devices. Make it loop like a slider ish. Make the center screen bigger, and then the other one smaller and behind each of these screens. So, and then I said the old way versus the new way. Show people like what others are currently doing or they're trying, and then future pacing. This is called future pacing, like the new way, watching me build stuff live instead of watching YouTube videos. Copy paste my project, so you save a lot of time and tokens. Ask me for input, so you get my coaching, my support. And then funnel templates. So I'm building a lot of these for free, but I'm also adding VIP, like premium members only templates. So I said, add a couple of screenshots here, make them look beautiful, hover effect, and like an explanation. And then I'll add more of them very soon. So I have a lot of them. I just need to upload them. And I said, add a section about me. And I actually wrote some of this copy because I wanted to paste in like the information, or like my backstory, or like why I'm doing this is very personal. And so that's why I don't have an AI image of me. I had a photographer come here, take this picture, because I don't want to outsource me and the connection and the community. I can outsource coding and stuff, automations, but I wanted this section to be me just writing it. Anytime I use AI to write the copy as well, like this, I always double check it and rewrite anything that wouldn't be factual, for example. Gusten previous clients includes, I already had these logos from my funnel pages. These are kind of interesting. So these are not animating. there it's a scroll effect. So this one, if the other one was called a hover effect, which actually here you can see one as well, this is a scroll effect. So as I'm scrolling, the top line, I call this three lines, and top and bottom make it one way, and then the other one the opposite. The one in the middle it goes opposite, and add a an icon plus a text, and then a subtle background color, and then beautiful border. And so that's how that one turned out. And then FAQ, frequently asked questions. Then I said add a simple um, footer. And then at the bottom, the template had something similar to this. I said, I really like this, but make the text AI Academy big, and then make a gradient so it sort of fades out. So fade means that it goes from like white, it just slowly fades into the background, becomes more transparent, it's more see through, and you can use that language to describe what you want. So all in all, there's been a little bit of prompting for sure, but I'm happy with the outcome. I'm now happy to announce or launch this as well and announce it publicly, because so far we have 100 members just through like a Google Doc with like here's what you get, and now we have a brand, we have an offer stack with a sales page, and it's starting to look pretty good. So I'm going to put together a document with some of the prompts. I'll link it below. So I'll just put all the, not all of them, there's a lot of prompts, but I'll put some of the biggest ones for animations, hover effects, and stuff like that. If you want the full, like all of the prompts and the template. So I'm going to change the colors and give you a template exactly of this page. And so if you want that one that is inside of AI Academy along with all the other templates and stuff, that's what I call the VIP templates. So we have that for funnels, websites, even apps. I give you entire apps that you can use yourself as well. But hopefully that's helpful and inspires you to see what you can build with AI Studio and High Level. And if you don't have High Level yet, what are you waiting for? Go grab it. 30 days free. So you can test this out for free. And then within 30 days, as you're playing around with it, you can make a decision if you want to continue or not. Very simple to use. So here you have visual edits where you can make changes like, hey, change, the text, or you can just say, sorry, you can just grab a screenshot and say, here, change the logo, or for example, here, the way that I would do this is just screenshot, like for example, the button, and I drag it in and I say, make the font bigger, or add shadow, for example. And then you just boom, and then it goes and does it and updates it. And then you just go publish. And then here you add a custom domain as well, and then it's live. I'm actually adding the welcome page here as well. So after people purchase, they land on this page, and now we have like multi-step sort of funnels in here as well. And then for now, the order form is just a payment link on Stripe, which I've seen a lot of bigger software companies do as well. A lot of people are just using Stripe, but you can use High Level's order forms as well. In fact, I just had a meeting today with the developers about payments and products that are coming out soon, and I can't wait for you to see that as well. All right, I'll link everything below, and then I'll see you in the next one.